Hi guys, it's Ryan from Hills Estate Agents. I'm on Tellson Crescent, Salford M6 to show you this beautifully presented 3-bedroom semi-detached property. Benefits from the driveway, providing off-road parking to the front. As we enter, we go into this lovely welcoming entrance hallway. On your right, opens up into this stylish family lounge diner. Towards the rear of the property, you have this lovely contemporary fitted kitchen. To the rear, outside through patio doors, you have this really generous tiered garden with paving, decking and later lawn grass. It's a really large space, as you can see. Properties are located within easy access of transport links throughout Manchester and is conveniently nearby local schooling and well kept parks too. Through there you have the downstairs toilet, and as we head upstairs from the landing you will find the 3 bedrooms, the third towards the front, all decent sizes. We have the main bedroom through here, now the second bedroom, which is still a double as you can see. We have a 3-piece family bathroom. Get in touch to secure your viewing today.